Hey Felicia, my name is Brandon and I'm from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video I'm going to give you guys 3 tips and tricks on how to get more customers with your online presence. Okay, so when we type in HVAC company in Denver, here is the front page of Google. You've got your Google ads right here, you've got your Google map pack right here, and then these are your top 3 companies or listings on the organic search bar. So we're not going to focus on Angie's List or Yelp because those are directories, but we're going to focus here on Summit Heating Co. So Summit Heating, this is your #1 competitor as far as Google is concerned. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you and talk about your website here and compare it to Denver Heating or Summit Heating and AC. And I'm going to show you why their website is ranking higher and getting them more leads online. Okay. So you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you in the first place. And what I'm doing is I'm just sending out some videos to local businesses in the area in Q4 here, because a lot of companies are talking about marketing and what they can do in 2023 to hit their goals. So I'm just sending these out for free and giving people some advice on what they can do. These are all things you guys can do on your own. Or if you have any feedback or questions and think you might need some help doing this, I'm more than happy to help. Whatever you decide to do with this info is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn from this and it will help you make some more money, okay? So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is content. Okay, so what Google cares about most is content. We say that content is king. So the average website homepage has 1,500 words. So this would be a good starting point for you to get yourself at least 1,500 words, if not 2,000 on this front page. So what I did was I copied and pasted all of this on your front page and I plugged it in here. So you guys currently have 338 words on your home page. So this would be a great starting point, is to get at least 1,500 words on this home page. Now, what is in the content matters even more than the number of keywords, or the number of words, excuse me. So what you want to do is you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are words that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for the product or service that you offer. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into your analytics here. So this is a site called Ahrefs, and I've plugged in your domain name and it can tell us what your analytics look like. Okay, so currently you guys have 4 keywords placed in your website that is helping drive in traffic. Okay, so these are your keywords. So this is a pretty decent one, HVAC installation Denver. That has very specific buyer intent. Whoever types this in is looking for installation in Denver. Okay, so as you guys can see, you only have a few keywords and it's not getting you any traffic online. This is pretty much, your website is pretty much just acting as a digital business card. It looks great, but it's not really doing you guys any favors. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Denver Summit Heating and AC. So as you can see, they have a lot more content on their homepage and it's probably rich with keywords. So let's go to their analytics page. Here's their website, and they have 2,200 keywords throughout their entire website, right? They've got all of these tabs and services, and they've riddled their entire website with buyer intent keywords. So this helps Google find them whenever somebody types in any of these keywords, okay? So they've got Denver heating, HVAC companies in Denver, Denver air conditioning, air conditioners, Denver air conditioning, Denver. All of these things have all of this search volume. So whenever people type these in, they are being found much more frequently than you guys are, just purely by the way their website is built out. Okay, so as you can see, it's allowing them 1,500 views basically to their website per month, versus you guys don't really have any traffic coming to your website. So that's the first thing we want to think about, is keywords and your homepage. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is what's called a backlink. Okay, so a backlink is anywhere another website links back to your website, driving traffic to you. Okay, so Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking back to you. So not all backlinks are created equal though. You'll get a lot more power having other servicing companies or HVAC companies, carpet cleaning companies, restoration, insurance companies, etc., that relate to your business. If you link yourself to a Pizza Hut, for example, Google knows that you're not in the food industry, so you won't get anything from that. So what you need to do is figure out where your top competitor has all their backlinks. They've already done the hard work for you. So what you need to do is go into these sites. This is the first backlink they have, and you can list yourself. You can make an account in here, and you can list yourself in these websites and create a backlink for yourself, okay? So currently, you guys have 4 backlinks coming from one domain. Your top competitor here, they have 1,200 backlinks coming from 438 different domains, okay? So you just need to go through these and list if it's working for them, it'll work for you too. It just takes some time, and you'll be able to link yourself, get many more backlinks, as well as keywords, and you can get yourself here on this front page of Google, okay? The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is how to get into the Google Map Pack. This is important because when people search for things on their phone, oftentimes this is what they see first. So when it comes to the Google Map Pack, what you need to do is list yourself in as many directories as possible. You need to beat whoever is number 1 here. Figure out how many directories they are cited in, and list yourself in all the same ones and more. So if they have 150 citations, you need to get at least 200 or 250 so that Google recognizes you and gets you guys in this Google Map Pack. Okay, so as a really quick recap, you need to add more words and more content to your homepage. Get at least 1,500 words and place buyer intent keywords all throughout your entire website. And then you need to figure out how many backlinks your top competitor has and add yourself to all of the same ones and more. And then for the Google Map Pack, you need to list yourself in as many directories as possible and beat out the number 1 company in the Google Map Pack to do that, okay? So you guys can take this information and run with it yourself if you guys feel you've got the time and the skill set for that. And if you need help or would like, if you have any feedback for me, I'd love to see if there's a way that we can work together on this so I can kind of review your goals, what your 2023 wants to look like, how many more clients you guys are looking to have per week or per month, and we can create a plan to get there if that's something you guys are interested in. Whatever you guys decide to do is okay with me. I just wanted to add some value here in the last month of the year. And please reach out if you have any questions or concerns, okay? Thank you so much, Felicia. Bye-bye.